Introducing Aroma De France, India's leading contract manufacturer of perfumes and body sprays since 2005. We provide complete solutions from formulation and filling to packaging under one roof. Every fragrance we create begins with a thought, an idea, or an emotion shared by our clients. We work closely with them to capture their vision, study market trends, and analyze cultural and emotional elements that define their target audience. Once the concept is defined, the focus shifts to R&D and prototyping. Our in-house team develops custom formulations and packaging samples while ensuring every prototype meets international safety standards such as IFRA and REACH. Our in-house design studio further supports clients with artwork development, 3D mock-ups and design visualization, making it easier to bring concepts to life before production. After finalizing the formulation, we move into manufacturing, which is the heart of Aroma De France. Our plant, spanning 165,000 square feet in Vadodara, Gujarat, supported by an additional 2 lakh square feet of warehousing space, is designed for large-scale, precise production. It features 15 dedicated perfume filling lines, 8 aerosol lines, and over 50 tanks for maceration, ensuring every stage from blending to filling is executed with speed, consistency, and accuracy. High-precision perfume filling machines maintain exact volumes in every bottle, minimizing wastage, while aerosol lines with and without propellant allow safe and efficient spray production. Together, these systems support a production capacity of up to 5 lakh units per day. Blending is managed through SCADA-run operations for automation. Real-time monitoring, maintain uniformity and guarantee purity. Cleaning in process protocols and demineralized water systems further ensure hygiene and quality at every stage. From fragrance mixing to bottle sealing, every operation is executed with precision. Quality checks are seamlessly integrated into every stage of production. Stability chambers, gas chromatography systems, and AQL booths are employed to verify the integrity of raw materials, packaging, and finished goods. Our operations are US FDA approved and compliant with MoCRA, ISO, GMP, SEDEX, SGS, and Intertech standards, reflecting our commitment to world-class quality and ethical manufacturing. The facility is 100% solar-powered and fully SAP-enabled, designed for sustainable and efficient operations. Today, Aroma De France partners with over 100 brands, ranging from conventional retailers and D2C startups to hyper-retail formats and global players, helping them bring innovation, reliability, and scalability to their product lines. We export to over 25 countries, extending our expertise and quality to global markets. Collaborating with industry leaders has helped refine our processes and strengthen our focus on trust, quality, and long-term partnerships. With every fragrance we create, we aim to deliver products that not only smell exceptional, but also reflect the craftsmanship, consistency, and reliability that define Aroma De France. Aroma De France, fragrance perfected with care.